In this video, let's see how to send templates for signature using Signeasy. Option 1, from Send for Signature button. Click the Send for Signature button and then select Choose Templates to send your templates for signature. You can select one or more templates to send for signature. Enter the signer's details in the preset roles. Once all details are filled in, you can either send the templates directly for signatures or take a moment to review the fields for accuracy prior to sending. In cases where identical email addresses are found, we enable an automatic merging of the roles to simplify workflows and reduce redundancies. Review the assigned fields for accuracy, and then proceed to click on the Send button to initiate signature request. Option 2, from Templates section. In the Templates section, find the template you want to send and select the Send for Signature button to initiate the process. Enter the signer details, and then click on the Send button to send the template out for signature. Option 3, using public signing link and QR code. For templates that have only a single role, they can be conveniently sent for signatures using template links or QR codes. This link and QR code can be shared with your signers through various methods, including email, embedding it on your website, or via any preferred communication channels. Click on the link icon located on the right side of the template, and then copy the template link to forward it to your signers. Alternatively, print out the QR code, allowing your signers to simply scan it to access and sign your document.